It is 2:40 p.m. this afternoon. We got the CSX q316-07 eastbound mixed freight train. They're on the way to the Cumberland, Maryland yard on the Allegheny County, Maryland, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Start the video, son. Oh, thank you. Thank you for that train. Thank you, engineer, for training one for me there, man. Look, there's a BNSF Railway hot grain hopper car train. That nice? Beautiful. Here comes the waffle side boxcar. Now off-side boxcar. Right there, it's in front of them, in front of me. So. Up. There goes the end of the train. As the last one tank car of q316 eased over the empty tower grade crossing, we watched with amazement as the train slowed and headed approaching the Lodgeville Tunnel without any derailments. q316 had made it, but just barely. The crew's risky gamble had paid off, saving CSX valuable time, fuel, and power for arbitrating the need of little additional helpers at Parkersburg. q316 will continue to ride on to Clarksburg, eventually arriving in the Grafton Yard the following day. Whoa, that's pretty cool. There you go, folks. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, give a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comments down below. So, see you next time. Out.